Hello, good morning. Today we are going to learn Unit 5. The topic is plants. Ways of reproduction in plants. Cara pembiakan bagi tumbuh-tumbuhan. Ways of reproduction in plants. Cara pembiakan bagi tumbuh-tumbuhan. We have 6 ways: seeds, suckers, underground stems, spores, stem cutting, and leaves. Remember kids, there are 6 ways on how plants reproduce: seeds, suckers, underground stems, spores, stem cutting, and leaves. Let's start with seeds. Plants that produce fruits reproduce through seeds. Kebanyakan tumbuh-tumbuhan yang menghasilkan buah boleh membiak melalui biji benih or seeds. For example, chili plant and papaya tree. The seed inside the fruits can be used to grow a new plant. Second way of reproduction of plants is suckers. Suckers adalah anak pokok. Suckers are young plants that grow near their parent plants. Look at the picture. This is the suckers and this is the parent plant. They can grow into new plants. The suckers will eventually grow into new plants like their parent plants. For example, banana plant and yam plant. The third way of reproduction in plants is underground stems. Underground stems means batang bawah tanah. Underground stems are the parts of plants that will grow into new plants when planted. This is underground stems, batang bawah tanah. This is the underground stems for onion and this is the underground stems for potato. Both onion and potato can be planted through underground stems. Ways of reproduction number 4 is through spores. Spores. Spores adalah spora. Non-flowering plants reproduce through spores. Spores are tiny little dust that we cannot see through naked eye. Some of the plants have spores, for example, mushroom and ferns, cendawan dan paku pakis. Ways of reproduction number 5 is stem cutting. Stem cutting. Stem cutting adalah keratan batang. When a stem cutting of a plant is planted, it will grow into a new plant. Maksudnya, jika ada satu tumbuhan yang telah hidup, subur, batangnya diambil, sebahagian batangnya diambil dan ditanam di tempat lain, akan tumbuh satu tumbuhan yang baru seperti tumbuhan yang asal. For example, tapioka, pokok ubi kayu, dan bougainvillea. Bougainvillea adalah pokok bunga kertas. Way of reproduction number 6 is leaves. Leaves, daun. There are also plants that reproduce through their parents' leaves. For example, pokok setawar and snake plant. Pokok lidah jin. Snake plant is lidah jin. This means kita boleh ambil daun daripada pokok induknya dan bawa ke tempat lain untuk ditanam. So they can reproduce and become new plant. Do you know there are plants that can be reproduced in 2 ways? Basil, selasih can be reproduced through stem cutting and seeds. Next, water spinach can be reproduced through stem cutting and also seeds. Water spinach is kangkung. Next is sweet potato. Ubi keledek can be reproduced through stem cutting and underground stem. Now let's look at your activity book, page 45. State the ways these plants reproduce. There are 6 ways that we've learned before. The first one, I give the example, is stem cutting, because it is reproduced through stem of a parent plant. Okay, you do answer all the questions and then we move to page 40. Page 46. Find the names of plants. There are 6 names of plants in the table. You find them. For example, I give you one example. One of the plants is snake plant. Then, after you find all 6 of the plants, you write the names of the 6 plants in the table below. Dah dapat cari ke-6, tulis nama ke-6 tumbuhan di sini. For example, teacher jumpa snake plant here, and then teacher tulis snake plant. Name of the plant, snake plant. Then, ways of reproduction. How the snake plant reproduce. We've learned before that snake plant reproduce through the leaves. So the leaves is on number 2. You tick box for number 2. And also answer question number 3. After you finish page 45 and page 46, please snap your picture and send it to me so that I can check your answer. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.